Stamford Bridge plays host to the inaugural Pre-Mobo Awards event featuring acts from R&B, gospel and jazz. I'm here to find out more about the event and the emission of these genres from the main show.
Baby, you've been with me from the start.
This is the first ever pre-show of the Mobo Awards, and I am hosting tonight. I mean, what an honor and what a privilege to be a part of such a night that's going down in history.
Just for it to be me now, for me to actually be there, alongside those same friends as well, like Crepton Cohen and Stormzy, Section Boys, we're all from the same area, so it's really exciting.
I think it's nice that everyone's coming together to kind of embrace R&B, gospel. You know, a lot of music is founded on gospel, whether we like to admit it or not.
Artists and nominees spoke on the subject of gospel and R&B and its standing within music today.
What's really exciting at the moment is there is a chart that's been recognised now for gospel. America's always had a massive gospel market. I think we've been slow on catching up. The world has always put out its style. Gospel equally, it's God's music at the end of the day.
In the States, it gets recognition it deserves. In the UK, not as much. We have platforms like Songs of Praise and Gospel Choir of the Year, which are fantastic, but that only hones in on traditional gospel music.
We have the likes of Adele, Sam Smith, Ellie Goulding in the category of R&B and soul. Do you think that black artists are actually underrepresented in that category these days?
I know it's always a debate that comes back around every year. You don't have to be black to be singing music of black origin. For me, it's whether it has that soul factor to it, that genuine authenticity to it.
Boyz II Men, Dru Hill, they had their time. They had their time, and it's now time for Bonkers. It's now time for Giggs. It's now time for Skepta. It's now time for Stormzy. It's now time for Jermaine Jackman. It's now time for so many other artists to have their time. It's a cycle.
Thoughts on the issue of these categories not being a part of the main Mobos inspired debate amongst those taking part.
The categories in the main award show, they won't be. I think that's a shame. I didn't even know that.
To be entirely honest, I would have preferred if it was part of the main show. Reason being is gospel, R&B and soul and jazz are the foundations of black music, in my humble opinion. So to kind of have its own show and not highlight that on the main show, it's a bit like, okay, how does that kind of work out? Every other genre has kind of come off the back of those three categories and two genres.
This will maybe become the show that everyone's going to be like, yeah, that pre-show is rocking it, like that's where we want to be. I feel that it's better that we've actually got an award show, but I feel that it still should be part of the main show.
Let's look at the positives, that it has its own night and we're really supporting and focusing on those niche genres. And one day it will go into the mainstream, we'll go into the main mobiles, and that's the day where we can all be praising and be happy.
It remains to be seen whether these categories will feature in the main show next year. However, it's clear the Pre-Mobos event gave these genres a platform to stand out in its own right.